Hello everybody, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to play with a little bit of makeup. I have some bits from Jones Road that I'm super excited to try and share with you my thoughts. So let's get started. So here I'm starting with a bare face. All I have is my skincare and I'm ready for application of makeup. Look number one, I called it the Barely There look because it's going to be super natural. So I'm going to start with my face pencil in the shade 09 medium light or light medium. I love that it comes in a form of pencil, super easy for on the go. And as you can see here, I am just spot concealing. So I'm concealing on the areas where I feel like I have a little bit more problems, maybe discoloration, and I'm going to blend everything in with my fingers. I find that this pencil blends in super nice. I don't need any other tools, and it just highlights and conceals at the same time, which I absolutely love. So I'm really pleased with this product and the shade that I chose as well. So here is the before and after, and as you can see, my skin is quite even. So now I'm going to add a little bit of color. This is the Miracle Balm in the shade Golden Hour. As you can see, it is a really nice golden shade, but it's quite sheer. And as I apply it, I like to drag my finger a little bit because if I just try to dab it, it doesn't really give me much color. But as you can see, it is warming up my skin tone. And it also gives a really beautiful highlighted look, which I really love for every day. Although I have combination to oily skin, as I am aging, my skin is also getting a little bit more dry and dehydrated. And this product adds just the right amount of hydration to my skin. It does feel a little bit sticky, I'm not gonna lie, but the end result is really beautiful. Okay, so the next product I'm using is the Lip and Cheek. I have it in English Rose. This is a lip balm, but you can also apply it on the cheeks, and I really love it. So here again, we have a before and after for my Barely There look. Look number two, I call it the Subtle Everyday because we're going to add a little bit more on top of what we already applied. So here I'm applying one of their beautiful cream eyeshadows in the shade Bronze. I love a bronze tone the entire year, and I feel like the texture of this particular product is amazing. Super easy to blend, and it gives the right amount of color. And you can also build it up if you want to, but as you can see here, it just gives the right wash of color for me for every day, and I really love it. So next I'm going to intensify my eye look, and I'm using the Best pencil in the shade Brown. This is super creamy, like so easy to apply. I was so impressed with this product, and I've been using it every single day. And I love a brown pencil. It leaves the eyes very nice and subtle and defined. So next I'm going to be using mascara because we need a little bit of mascara. This is the only one they actually have. It's super black, super easy to apply. And I've been using it every day since I got it because it really elongates and volumizes my lashes with little effort. So now I'm going to apply another Miracle Balm. This one is in Dusty Rose. I just love the texture of these. They are sticky. Again, I'm not going to lie about that, but they are very easy to apply. If you just drag the product on the skin, it doesn't pull your skin. It just adds color and a lot of sheen. And I really love it. I find that these products make me look a little bit more youthful. And again, since I got them, I've been using it every single day. And one tip, you can also use it on your lips, and you're ready to go. It's just an easy all-round product that really gives that beautiful glow from within. And look number three, I call it Day to Night because I'm just going to add a little bit of something just to intensify my cheeks. And I'm using the Lip and Cheek, again in the shade English Rose. I love a good pink flush of color on my cheeks. It just makes me look quite youthful and awake, if that makes any sense. It's just an all-rounder shade that I can wear the entire year and it always looks so good. And because these products are quite emollient and very easy to blend, they don't cake up at all. All you see is that beautiful look, like that beautiful youthful look from within. Here I'm going to set my makeup a little bit because I like looking matte in the center of my face, not looking shiny or oily. You can use any powder if you have the same type of skin that I do, which is combination to oily. But if you are more of a normal to dry, you can definitely just leave your skin as it is and it will look amazing. So here you have the finished look, my everyday glow from within, if that makes any sense. I absolutely love these products. Thank you so much for Jones Road for sending these to me. Here's a before and after, looking more awake and beautiful, I think. Let me know what your thoughts are, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.